Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential problem. We have 5 power x plus 2 minus 25 power x, this is equals to 24. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x where x belongs to real number. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here 5 power x plus 2 minus 25 power x and this is equals to 24. In left hand side look carefully this term. Here we apply this rule a power m plus n, this is equals to a power m times a power n. If we apply this rule then 5 power x plus 2, this is equals to 5 power x times 5 power 2. Then this expression is 5 power x times 5 power 2 minus 25 power x and this is equals to 24. 5 power 2 is 25 times 5 power x minus this 25 is 5 power 2 bracket power x minus 24. Now if we apply this rule a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power n bracket power m. Then 5 power 2 bracket power x, this is same as this 2 and this x are interchanged, then 5 power x bracket power 2. In left hand side 25 times 5 power x minus, here this expression is same as this expression, so here 5 power x bracket power 2 and this is equals to 24. Now here 5 power x and here 5 power x, so if we apply substitution and if we substitute 5 power x, this is equals to m, then this expression is 25 m minus m square and this is equals to 24. 25m minus m square and this is equals to 24. In left hand side coefficient of m square is negative, so first if you want to make this negative to positive, so multiplied both side minus 1 and in right hand side is also multiplied by minus 1. Then minus 1 is multiplied by 25 m, then you will get 25 minus 25 m and this minus 1 is multiplied by minus m square, then here plus m square and this is equals to 24 is multiplied by minus 1, then here minus 24. In left hand side this expression is m square minus 25 m, this is equals to minus 24. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m square minus 25 m and this minus 24, if we take left hand side then this is plus 24 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, left hand side we have a quadratic equation and this quadratic equation is factorizable. Here we will apply middle term split, then m square minus 25 m is minus 24 m minus m plus 24 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common m, then m square divided by m, then you will get here m minus 24 m divided by m, then you will get minus 24. And look carefully here, if we take common minus 1, minus m divided by minus 1, then you will get m and 24 divided by minus 1, then you will get minus 24 and this is equals to 0. Now m minus 24 and here m minus 24, if we take common m minus 24 in left hand side m minus 24, then you will get here m minus 1 and this is equals to 0. If you say this expression is a and this expression is b, and if we apply this rule, if a into b this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then this expression is m minus 24, this is equals to 0 or m minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 24 and here value of m is equals to 1. And we know that m is 5 power x. So this is 5 power x is equals to 24 and here 5 power x, this is equals to 1. Let's say this is case first and this is case second. So first we will solve case first. 5 power x, this is equals to 24. 5 power x, this is equals to 24. If we take log both side and right hand side here log, in left hand side we will apply this rule, log m power n, this is equals to n times log m. Then in left hand side this expression is same as x times log 5 and this is equals to log 4, sorry, log 24. Now divide both sides log 5, then x is equals to log 24 divided by log 5. Now in right hand side we will apply this rule, log m divided by log n, this is equals to log m with base n. If we apply this rule, then x is equals to log 24 with base 5. This is our first solution. Solve case second. Case second is 5 power x is equals to 1. 5 power x is equals to 1. In left hand side here 5 power x and this is equals to, this one is same as 5 power 0. Now compare both sides, then you can say x is equals to 0. So here first solution x1, this is equals to log 24 with base 5 and so second solution x2, this is equals to 0. Here we have two solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.